The legend of an old lady who angered Saint Peter because of her greed. Now, I'll explain stanza wise to you. Away, away in the northland, where the hours of the day are few, and the nights are so long in winter that they cannot sleep them through. Here, the poet describes the place from which her story is derived. She says that here days are short and nights are long. It is so cold that people cannot sleep comfortably at night. They often wake up because they are unable to bear the temperatures. Where they harness the swift reindeer to the sledges when it snows, and the children look like bears' cubs in their funny furry clothes. Now, she also describes the people of the Northland. She says that when the snow falls, they like to go for sledging. Sledges are which are used to move the on the snow, and they like to go for sledging, and they tie reindeer up to their sledges. Reindeer carry them. They are dog-like animals, and they carry the sledges. Because of the cold, children wear heavy woolen clothes which cover them up completely. They look like the cups of bears. Simile has been used here. Children look like bear's cub. And alliteration funny furry clothes. Okay. Then they tell them a curious story. I don't believe it's true, and yet you may learn a lesson if I tell you the tale to you. Here the poet talks about how parents in the Northland tell their children a story. Although the story may not be true, it should be told to teach children an important lesson. Once, when the good Saint Peter lived in the world below and walked about it preaching, just as he did, you know. The story is about Saint Peter who traveled around the world preaching the teachings of Jesus Christ. He came to the door of a cottage in traveling round the earth, where a little woman was making cakes and baking them on the hearth. He continues to say that once Saint Peter came to a little woman's house who was baking cakes on the hearth. She was baking the cakes, and being faint with fasting, for the day was almost done, he asked her from her store of cakes to give him a single one. Then the poet says that Saint Peter's body was pale and tired at the end of a long day. He asked the woman to give him only of the many cakes but that she was baking on the hearth, because he was tired and he was hungry. So he wanted the cakes, and he asked the woman who was baking cakes, to give him a cake.